All right, get the controller.
There you go. Sit right there by Lena. Sit by Lena.
Turn it around. Turn the controller around. You got it backwards. Turn it around, baby. Turn it. Look.
Take the
Go that way.
things out, baby.
All right. Now. Oh, wait, Jackson. Stop. All right. Now. Look at your hand. Look down at your hands. Now make it go forward, but turn it.
Where's the needle for this thing?
Push it. All right, now it's out. Go.
The other one's done gotten the thing over here. Get it, Jackson. You got it going.
Dude, he even went around to you.
It got me in the shoulder.
You're driving that good, Jackson. Good job, man.
Awesome. Come check this.
You can get out of it. Turn it and go backwards. Pull that one back and it'll make it go backwards.
Do it.
There you see? There you go. Perfect.
Going, man.
It's going, man. I know. Oh, you just wrecked, but anyway.
I did.
Slow down a little bit when you go around the curve. Don't bang it in the side of the pool if you can help it.
Look at that going,
Look, get
man.
here.
Don't hit people.
Oh, wait. Try not to slam it into the edge of the pool if you can help it.
Look in there for a little metal plastic.
Back it up.
It is
There you
down
go.
in there. I done took the top off. I'm trying to get this thing to mess with the boat.
Look at that going, man.
You're going. You're doing awesome.
Yeah.
You probably could drive. You're driving better than I probably could.
Damn it.
All right, now see you're on the edge. You're gonna have to get off that edge. Either back up or turn or something.
Hey, Lena, will you come give me this soccer ball?
Yeah.
Hey, there's a worm out there.
Don't hit the side. Oh, you nailed the side.